Right, so 1941 I think it is. Norton Big 4 with driven sidecar wheel. Came to us as a pile of parts for assembly, paint and assembly. Yeah, it's gone together well. A few little niggles, but nothing major, so that's all good.
So to start it.
Right, so fuel on here. One side and the other side, your fuel tap, so that one's on. That's your carb tickler, so you press that, keep banging it up and down until you get some fuel squirt out. Ignition about halfway. Shouldn't need any choke because it's nice and warm. Give it a few kicks over just to suck a bit of juice in with the decompressor on. So you've hit compression. I know I've got compression there. So you pull your decompression lever up and then just roll it over the top dead centre.
Yeah.
And then hopefully if you give it a good kick and a bit of throttle it'll go.
So what would you say is the thing about these bikes? Temperamental nature maybe?
Well, they need to be run. I mean, everything's brand new in there. You got to remember these things when they were going. They had a crap load of carbon built around them everywhere. They're just old sloggers, you know what I mean? The timing's quite critical on them, but then again, you've got so much movement on that. Again, I mean, you need to ride them and get used to. They're all different.
There seems to be like a combination of things you need to get right.
Yeah.
And what is that combination that you need to get right?
Your timing's got to be right, your mixture's got to be right on the carb, but there's so many different variations on it. See, that might sit here and idle lovely. If you take it for a ride, it might go like a bag of shit.
Really?
You know, so you've got to get a, you know, you've got to use them.
And is that something that's inherent with Norton, or is that just in general?
They're all the same. They're all the same.
Well, you ready to take it for a ride then?
Yeah, sure.